fantastic occasion. I think it's my first full season as a manager. To reach a Welsh Cup final and get the club into it is a great achievement. I think it's one that we're all looking forward to. It's going to be a fantastic occasion, and hopefully we can get a big crowd here at Latham Park to watch the game. Since I came in 18 months ago, obviously we achieved top 6 status last season, and we've done it again this season, which is a great achievement for the club who've never done it before. To do it twice on the bounce is brilliant. And I think when we met pre-season, I think it was June the 27th, we sat down as a group and agreed that we want top 6 was obviously our focus, and also having a good cup run this year to get to the final is fantastic, and it's something that we're really looking forward to. Everyone, all the players, all the staff, and I think the whole club. It's given a boost to the whole town as well. And I think you see people who put a lot of unpaid hours at the club, and nice to see them with a smile on their face, and they're thoroughly looking forward to the game on Saturday.
Personally, I've never got anywhere near this far in a cup run. Never played for a team that's got challenging for the league or anything like that. So for myself, this will be my biggest achievement, my biggest game, and I'm sure it probably will be for a few of the lads as well. So yeah, everyone's definitely looking forward to it. We all know the history of the club, and it's been a long time since we've been in this final, but I don't think it's putting any added pressure on us. We're all looking forward to the game, and we can't wait for kick-off on Saturday. It is our home pitch, so hopefully we're hoping for a big turnout from all the town. We know that TNS obviously will enjoy playing on the surface just as much as us. We're quite happy to play wherever. We're just happy to be in the final. I think 120 years since the club last reached the final, it's a fantastic occasion for the whole community. The fact that it's been played at home ground as well will probably mean that extra bit more to us. So yeah, I think that's what I'm looking forward to. Hopefully seeing Latham Park full as well. I think be a fantastic chance to put the club on the map and further cement our place in Welsh football, in the history that we've got, and hopefully it could be a good day and end in a Newtown win.